Once, in a small town nestled in the mountains, there lived a clumsy goat named Gus. Gus had a peculiar habit of wandering into people's yards and eating their laundry drying on the clotheslines. One sunny afternoon, Gus managed to sneak into Mrs. Jenkins' yard, where she had just hung out her brand-new, bright red underwear to dry. Not realizing Gus was there, Mrs. Jenkins went inside to prepare lunch. Gus, delighted by the sight of the fluttering red fabric, began munching away. Just as he was about to finish the last piece, Mrs. Jenkins returned to find her laundry in disarray and Gus with a guilty look on his face, red fabric stuck between his teeth. She couldn't help but burst out laughing at the sight. From then on, whenever Mrs. Jenkins hung out her laundry, she made sure to keep an eye out for Gus, affectionately known as the town's laundry connoisseur. And Gus, well, he became a bit more selective in his choice of snacks, but he remained the town's beloved and slightly mischievous goat.